How to install RS mud flaps in a 2012 Mazda 5 Sport. So what I did was to take the flaps and cut it out on the cardboard, then place it here and put some holes in there. Drill holes. After you drill these holes, take this and put on the opposite mud flaps and mark them and do the same. As you can see, the opposite mud flaps are the same size because I marked them with the same mud flap. When you install, do the same for the back. You take the same mud flap and put on the second mud flap and make a hole in there. Mark it. Then drill them out. And then you can install. Okay, so you put off the screws in and install here. Install here. Everything is on. Now repeat this same procedure for the next side.